The Australian Grand Prix is here, kicking off another season of high speed battles, late breaking dives, and pure racing drama. And where better to start than the iconic Melbourne circuit of Albert Park? This track might look smooth and straightforward, but don't be fooled. You've got high speed straights, tight braking zones, and unforgiving walls just waiting for a mistake. To win here, you don't just need a fast car. You need the right setup, race strategy, and perfect execution to cross that finish line first. That's where the AI Playbook for leaders comes in. Think of this like your race engineer for AI, your strategy guide to making AI actually work for you. Because here's the thing, so many companies hit the gas on AI projects thinking they're ahead of the game, only to spin out before they see any real results. This playbook, it'll show you exactly how to avoid those rookie mistakes. And then there's the biggest misunderstanding: AI adoption doesn't win races, AI enablement does. It's the difference between having an F1 car and actually knowing how to drive it. Some teams have already figured this out. Netflix, Starbucks, and UPS aren't just using AI, they're winning with it. And in this playbook, we'll break down exactly what they're doing so you can apply the same winning strategies to your own business. But here's the best part: this isn't just another AI report that leaves you wondering what to do next. This playbook gives you a step by step framework to go from just testing AI to actually seeing real impact. No fluff, no guesswork, just a proven way to get results. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be the backmarker watching someone else do the shoey. So don't wait, download the ebook today. And if you're ready to put AI into action, check the comments below for Sprint 1, a live complimentary expert led session to help you gain a clear understanding of how AI applies to your business and uncover immediate wins.